Hello everyone, I'm Lekhika Pathak, Telemedicine Coordinator of Kavi Krishna Telemedicine Care, and this is our team. And this Kavi Krishna Telemedicine Care, it is a sub-unit of Kavi Krishna, which is a not-for-profit organization situated in Palkuse. So here we are mainly working for the all cancer patient of this greater Palkuse area. And till now we have almost 50 cancer patients are registered, including women and men, and most of the time we used to get esophagus cancer in this area. So this is like the aim or strategy of Kavi Krishna Telemedicine Care is not only to provide the treatment to the cancer patients, but our aim is to provide this treatment suggestion under the guidance of Dr. Bikul Das, who is the founder and director of Kavi Krishna Telemedicine Care. And we also give that mental and physical support to the cancer patient, like whatever they are suffering from communication gap between their concerned doctors and them, and whenever they don't get social support from society, and then we used to go visit their home to give that mental support, and also we want to show them what the cancer is. So we are mainly transferring our knowledge to them, and so that they get comfortable with the disease to fight it. They get understand about the disease. So because they don't understand about the disease, that's why they get ignorance from their family member or the other people from the society. That's why they get depressed. But through our this care, which is mainly based on indigenous knowledge system, that is in short it is called IKS. So through IKS we are getting into the deepness of the cancer patients, and we are able to keep them motivated towards their life to fight it. Yeah, so we are associated with Kavi Krishna Laboratory. So we are research student also. We all are doing research on cancer. So that's why we have started this telemedicine care, so that through the connection with the cancer patients, we get more close to the cancer patient. We get the feeling of the pain they are suffering, and through that we can be able to get motivated them, and also it would help us in our cancer research. So when the patient comes and report to KTC takes from consent from the patient if we want their sample to get involved in our research. So along with that, this telemedicine care has their own telemedicine coordinator. So she used to keep all the information about cancer oncologists in Assam, so that they can get all kind of information whatever they want regarding the cancer treatment in Assam. Then we used to go to the patient home, family, relatives, and call them in our focus group discussion, which used to be here in every Saturday, so that the people who are suffering from cancer, they gather together, they share their views, their experience about how they are fighting against cancer to each of them, and then the other cancer patient get motivated through the interaction with different cancer patients. So this is the one magazine we are showing about cancer in KTC's view. So here we are showing the pictures. Here we are showing the pictures of how cancer starts and how cancer invade and then spread throughout the body, including different organs. So that whenever patient comes, they can see, we can make them explain what cancer is, and they can take precautions, or they can be careful with the symptoms when it starts. Because most of the women who are having breast cancer, sometimes they feel pain but they don't share, and because of that it comes to the second stage or third stage of the cancer, and it becomes late for the treatment. So then these are the different types of cancers which we are having, and almost ovarian cancer, germinal cancer, lung cancer, esophagus cancer, and breast cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer we are having. So we are just explaining it in a very simple way and in pictures, so that they can understand what the lung cancer is and where is the location. So through these discussions and through these strategies, we have we have included different strategies to go through the patient's patient's problem, patients related to cancer problem, and we have different books out here on cancer in local language, so that whenever they can come and visit, they can read those and they can be comfortable here. So our main principle of our work is IKS, that is Indigenous Knowledge System. So through this system, we now believe that through our interaction with the patients, with their relatives, with their family members, we believe that this can our work can decrease their pain, like their whatever they are going through because of society's ignorance, because of family's ignorance, it is reducing. And now the patient who were so depressed before 6 months, now they are talking so frankly and they are more comfortable talking and discussing here in KTC.